Ibadullah and Reda are playing in a small, beautiful village. They are laughing, joking, and running around, with their joy and the beauty of the village clearly. Ibadullah. Reda looked at it in astonishment and said, Abad, it's a parrot. Abad smiled and said, It's so beautiful it looks like it can talk. Ibadullah and Reda are playing with the parrot. Ibadullah is smiling at the parrot, and Reda is laughing beside him. The parrot looks curious, its colorful feathers shimmering in the light. The cat suddenly attacked the parrot, and Ibadullah and Reda were shocked. Ibadullah gently raises his hand to scare the cat away. The cat flees. The parrot sits safely on Ibadullah's shoulder, and Reda looks relieved. Ibadullah, Reda, and parrot playing joyfully. Ibadullah smiling proudly, Reda gently stroking parrot. Ibadullah's shoulder, feathers glowing in vibrant colors. Ibadullah and Reda amazed. Garden and village background, warm sunlight.
Ibadullah, Reda, and the parrot are sitting under a large tree. The parrot is on Ibadullah's shoulder. The children are smiling.